So today we'll be cleaning up those headlights. They're looking like this. We're going to restore them, and we're using the Sylvania kit, Headlight Restoration Kit. Everything is inside this kit except for a few items. You're going to need some kitchen towel, you're going to need some painter's tape, you need some water, either a spray bottle or a hose, maybe a pair of scissors because you need to cut your sandpaper. And that's about it. It's very, very basic. It's just going to be some elbow grease that you'll use. So let's open up this kit and see what you get. Inside, you have sandpaper. You have the 400 grit. Then you have the 1000 grit. And then you have the 2000 grit. So these three levels of sandpaper, then they give you this clarifying compound that you'll use. You'll have your surface activator, that's in step 1. And then you have your UV block clear coat, which is right at the end, step 3. You also get 2 applicators to use. And then I would recommend using a rubber glove or something so your hand is protected while you apply all this stuff. Now, because we are doing 2 headlights, we're going to take these pieces of sandpaper and we're going to just cut them in half so that we have 1 for each headlight. There we go. Let's get started. So this is the Honda Civic we're working on today. You look at these headlights and you can see it's been faded with time and as the sun's rays damage the coating on it. So you look at this side and you look at this side and you'll see how it's been damaged over time. So our job today is to clear that up. So hopefully when we use this kit, we're going to go from this dull surface that you see right here to a bright and shiny surface, and that'll increase the amount of light being emitted, of course. So that'll definitely be good for your safety as you drive at night. So now what you want to do is you want to go around and make sure that you've got everything taped up around your headlight so that you don't damage the paint. And now we'll go over to step number 1 for this process. So the first step that you have to do is to apply the surface activator. It's going to prepare the surface for you. It's going to remove the yellow staining, and it's going to soften any original UV clear coat that may still be on the headlight lens. Now you just go ahead, you spray this on. Make sure you cover the whole lens, and then once you've covered it all, you need to let it sit for at least 30 seconds. Now make sure that you don't use all the activator in this first step because you'll need it again at the end of step 2. While you wait for the 30 seconds to pass, you can do the other headlight. Now you come back, you can see it looks better already, but you've got to wash off everything. So use a spray bottle with some water and a kitchen towel or a cloth to wipe it all off. You'll see now how it looks clearer already. Step number 2 is to sand and polish. And now you're going to use your 400 grit sandpaper. This is the coarsest one that they gave you, and this is going to remove the last bits of oxidation and maybe some UV coating that was left on there. You're going to use a wet sanding, and so you're going to spray it with some water, both on the headlight itself and also on the sandpaper that you're using. Just small circles, keep going circular in motion, and make sure that you cover the whole headlight. What you're trying to achieve here is kind of a white, hazy, opaque kind of finish. You don't want anything that's still clear on the headlight. This is the kind of look that you're aiming for. You rinse it again and you dry it, and then you feel it if it's smooth to the touch. If you feel it is smooth, then you're done with this step with the 400 grit sandpaper. Now you're going to upgrade to the 1000 grit sandpaper. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to wet your headlight, wet your paper, and wet sand the paper in short circular motions. You keep this going for about 5 minutes. Don't shortchange the step because it's very important. Keep going for 5 minutes until your headlight is nice and hazy. Once you've done the 5 minutes, now you're going to upgrade to the 2000 grit sandpaper, and it's going to be the same thing again. Just wet your headlight, wet your paper, and sand in short circular motions for another 5 minutes again. Now that you're done with the sanding, you're going to use this packet, which is called clarifying compound. So you're going to use about half of this package on this headlight and the other half on the other headlight. So don't use all of it on once. You use this white towel that they've given you, and this is going to be used on both headlights. So to put some clarifying compound on there and get that on the headlight. Make sure the headlight is wet again, and once again you're going to do this for about 5 minutes. So once you've done that for 5 minutes, it's time to rinse the headlight again and then dry it. You want to make sure it's 100% dry before you do the last step. So I'm using a blower here to make sure that all the water has been dispelled and it is completely dry to the touch before you can move on. Now what you're going to do after you've done the compound is you use your surface activator again, and you're going to just spray this on and leave this on for 30 seconds before you wash it off, just to clean it completely. Just rinse it off with the water and you'll already see a difference. This looks so much better already. So once you've washed it off with the water, you know, make sure it's completely dry. I'm using a shop vac. You can use an air compressor if you have one, a leaf blower, or just some paper towels, but just make sure it's very, very dry. And then you're going to remove all the tape around it. So now you still see a bit of haziness on here. That's okay. That's the way it's supposed to be. We're ready to move to step 3. And this is where the magic happens. So step 3 is to use the UV block clear coat. You're going to put this on the blue sheet they gave you. You fold it up and you're going to wet this thoroughly with your coating. And once it's wet, you're going to just wipe it across. You're not going to go up and down. You're just going to go maybe down and up, down and up, down and up, overlap a little bit as you go. But you're not supposed to work this into the light. It's just supposed to coat the surface. And the thicker the coat, the better. So make sure you've got enough of this on here so it's just thoroughly wet, and you just coat it up. And once it's coated, it has to stand for at least 1 hour before you can touch it. It fully cures in about 2 to 6 hours, so just depending on your temperature and climate and whatnot. But don't drive it for the first 2 hours after it's been coated. Wait at least 2 hours, maybe more if you can. For the best results, just park it overnight in your garage. But once this is applied, then it's going to dry, it's going to cure, and then your headlight is going to be pretty good again. And you're going to apply this. Make sure you have a glove on when you do this, and I'm going to try and get half this bottle on this side, and then half will be for the other light. Start there, and you wipe it across like that. Make sure you have enough on there. You go again, your next pass, and then again, and you can see already there's a brilliant clarity that's coming. That's the magic. Now once this is cured and dried, it's going to protect your lights from the sunlight and the UV rays. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll like to see you on the channel again.